Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about vaccinations in poultry in all aspects. First, let's talk about the history and evolution of poultry vaccination. The practice of vaccinating poultry dates back several decades. Initially, the focus was on controlling a few major diseases that caused significant losses in poultry production. Over time, as our understanding of poultry diseases and immunology improved, the range of vaccines available expanded, and vaccination strategies became more sophisticated. One of the earliest vaccines developed for poultry was for Newcastle disease. This highly contagious viral disease can cause severe respiratory and nervous system symptoms in birds. The development of a live attenuated vaccine for Newcastle disease in the mid-20th century was a major breakthrough. This vaccine significantly reduced the incidence of the disease and paved the way for the development of other poultry vaccines. Mareks disease is another significant poultry disease that has been effectively controlled through vaccination. Mareks disease is caused by a herpes virus and can lead to tumors and paralysis in chickens. The first vaccine for Mareks disease was introduced in the 1970s and has been highly effective in reducing the prevalence of the disease. This vaccine is typically administered to chicks on the day they hatch, providing early protection against the virus. Infectious bronchitis is another common disease in poultry that has been targeted by vaccination. This disease affects the respiratory tract and can lead to decreased egg production in layers. Vaccines for infectious bronchitis are often administered as a spray or in the drinking water, making it easier to vaccinate large flocks. Avian influenza is a particularly challenging disease to control. This viral disease can cause severe illness and high mortality rates in poultry. Vaccination against avian influenza is complicated by the fact that the virus can mutate rapidly, leading to the emergence of new strains. Researchers are continually working to develop more effective vaccines that can provide broad protection against multiple strains of the virus. The development of recombinant vaccines has been a significant advancement in poultry vaccination. These vaccines are produced using genetic engineering techniques, where genes from the pathogen are inserted into another organism to produce the antigen. Recombinant vaccines can be very specific and safe, and they have the potential to provide strong and long-lasting immunity. For example, recombinant vaccines have been developed for diseases like infectious buzzard disease and fowlpox. In ovo vaccination is an innovative technique that has gained popularity in recent years. This method involves vaccinating the chick while it is still in the egg, typically around 18 days of incubation. In ovo vaccination can provide early protection against diseases like Mareks disease and infectious buzzard disease. This technique also allows for the automation of the vaccination process, making it more efficient and reducing the labor required. Please, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more this kind of educational videos.